Hello and welcome to the video series on how to edit your website using the Drupal CMS. Let's jump right in. To log into your website, you simply just go to thewestern1920.com/user and you use the username and password that we provided. I already have that copied. And once you're logged in, you'll see the welcome screen. And unfortunately, this admin menu up here, which you only see once you're logged in, it unfortunately covers the hamburger menu that enables you to navigate through the site. So you have to use this menu here to navigate the site when you're on this screen, unfortunately. But what we're going to do in this video is just give you a quick overview of the content and just show you how to change just some minor things on the home page. So what we'll do is to see all the content on your site, you just click the content button. That's after you click the manage button, you'll see the content menu. And once you're on the content screen, you can scroll down and you can see all of the pages on your website. And all the pages are editable from this screen. And I can also show you another way how to edit those later using a different method. But for now, let's concentrate on the home page. And you see it's right here. On this left side, if you click the title, it will just bring you to that page. Whereas on the right side, if you click the edit button, that will enable you to edit the page. So we're going to edit the page. And once you're in the edit screen, you'll see that this is where you can edit the announcement text, which is this right here. That is this banner that shows up right here. So if you ever want to change this text, you simply go to the home page and you can change the text right here. There's no need to do bold or italic because we've already coded the style of the text in the CSS, so you don't need to change that. So all you need to do is just edit this text like you would any other text. And since we're working with the live website, I'm not going to make any major changes because it will make it to the actual live site that your customers are viewing right now. So you just make your edits right here, and then if you want to change or remove the image, you do that down here with the announcement image. If you want to change it, you just have to remove it first and then upload a new image. The image will shrink down to the height of the banner that is already on the home page. So you can upload a larger image and it'll shrink it down to fit that banner. And if you no longer want that banner to appear on the home page, what you do is you just have to delete all this text here and then remove the image and the banner won't show up. And on any page throughout the site, we have the metadata which we were provided that we have entered into this sidebar here. And if you ever want to edit any of the metadata, which is what the browsers use to crawl your website for search engine optimization, and then this description is also what appears if you do a Google search. This is kind of the small description that appears underneath the link when people do a search for your property. So if you ever want to change any of that information, that's here in the sidebar, the page title, the description, and if you scroll down, we did enter all the keywords that we were provided. So that's really the only edits you can make to the home page. And now I'll show you how to make any edits to the footer of each page, which is this right here. It's not on the home, you don't see it on the home page. But if you ever want to make any edits to this section right here, I'm going to show you how to do that now. To make changes to that, what you do is you go under the structure menu, under block layout and custom block library. And then what you do is you look for footer copyright, and that's that block at the bottom. So what you do is you want to edit that. And all this text is right here. We have code that automatically puts the year after the copyright, so that never needs to be manually changed. So really, this block, I would only advise changing this particular line right here. Or if you want to change the name of the contact link or the tenant login link. You can change the title of those links right here. And once you're done, you can just save your edits. And the last thing I will show you in this video is how to change, if you ever need to change the social media links, I will show you how to do that. And to do that, you go under just the block layout. You don't click anything from the flyout menu. Just click the block layout page. And you want to scroll all the way down on this block layout page till you see the footer and the social media links. And you click the configure button. And if you scroll down for everything that we have for the different social media platforms we have set up, this is where you edit the link. So for your Facebook, your Instagram, and your Twitter. I'm assuming those will probably always stay the same, but just in case, that's how you change them. And that is the end of this first video. Thanks for watching.